Well, hello YouTube, Mama Jenny here. I got a gift. It arrived today. Today's a Sunday, but it arrived anyway. It's from Amazon Prime in Mexico. So for those who didn't know, there's Amazon in the US and there's also Amazon in Mexico. I keep telling you Mexico is awesome, but let's do an unboxing. And in here is, oh, what's this? I was expecting my new collapsible fishing rod.
That's your gimbal for your Mama Jenny videos. It's gonna help you get better videos, stable.
This is a gift. This is not what I was expecting in this box, but this is what it is. And it's a new toy. It's a gift. Although it's a gift from my husband, he's probably going to be the one that's going to use it. You agree? He's nodding his head. So we'll open it. Ooh. There we go. And there it is. He got it in white. And taking it out the box, as it's an unboxing, this is what it looks like. I think the phone securely fits in here. And these are the controls on the back that are used and some controls on the front. Amazing. Thank you so much. I love my gift. Now that I've got over my excitement and the shock of not getting what I expected in the box, let me tell you what else is in the case. So this is a box that the gimbal came in. And of course, this is the gimbal itself. It comes with a magnetic phone clamp that fits in just like that. What I like about this is that it tries to fit into the proper place that it belongs. And it's a really strong magnet. This is an adjuster that fits right here, just in case you have a phone that's more slimline. So that's good to have. Then there's a pouch, so everything can fit together and be all kept securely together. The phone clamp opens so you can fit your phone right in there, and it's snug and it's safe. Next, we'll look at the tripod. The tripod is excellent because it fits on the table, and the gimbal can be screwed in to keep everything nice and secure. But it can also be held in the hand for taking pictures and doing your movies. Everybody needs instructions, especially me. And finally, no, not quite, we have the charging cables. And finally, we have an adjustable wrist strap that fits around the wrist so that you can keep your climbing with it or going for a walk with it or anything. It's all securely secure. Okay? Good. So check back soon because I'll be doing a review of the DJI OM5 gimbal. Also, be on the lookout for the unboxing of the fishing rod that I was really expecting. Thank you for watching YouTube. Mama Jenny here from Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Please don't forget to share, to like, and please, if you haven't already, subscribe.